Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to check your Apple Watch Ultra 2 for system updates. Let's get started. And firstly, we need to press the digital crown to open the list of apps, and here go in the settings. After that, just scroll a bit to see this general tab. And now we just need to select the software update. So here, first thing we can see is automatic updates. Just tap it and here you can either enable it or disable. If you enable it, just automatically install software updates overnight after they have been downloaded. And also, if you have any new system updates, you would see it right here as a button download and install. So if you want to download your new update, make sure that the watch is on its charger and connected to Wi-Fi. And installation will start when Apple Watch is charged to at least 50%. That's it for today. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.